P acquired 75% of base, income tax rate is 30%. The fair value of PP and inventories are CU 9000, CU 1000 respectively. Okay? So fair value of PP is 4000 rupees more, 9000 minus 4000. So there will be deferred tax liability of 1200. PP fair value is 9000, carrying amount 5000. So it is more by 4000 into 30% income tax rate. That means deferred tax liability 1200. You see deferred tax liability 1200. Inventory is 1000 less. Value is 2000, value is 1000. So 2000 minus 1000 is 1000 into 30%. That means 300 is opposite of deferred tax liability. It is, you see, deferred tax assets 300. Now we calculate what is goodwill, what is non-controlling interest. First of all, net identifiable assets. How much? 9000 is the value of PPE plus there is cash inventories 1000. Fair value is taken minus this liability also 1000. So it's come to 9000. Net identifiable assets 9000. What is non-controlling interest? 25% of that, that is 2250. This is 25% of 9000. What is the investment in AS? That is given, it is 7500. So goodwill is the balancing figure, that is 750. So goodwill 750, non-controlling 2250. Here we need to find out what is goodwill. First of all is the property, plant and equipment 10,000 plus 9,000, 19,000. Inventories, it is 1,000 given. Deferred tax assets 300 we have worked out. At the bottom, deferred tax liability also we have worked out 1,200. Equity share capital is for the parent 5,000. Retained earning 9,500 same. Non-controlling is 2025 that we need to work out, and liabilities 3,000, 1,000, 4,000. So here you see deferred tax asset is 300 and deferred tax liability 1200. So 900 is to be shared between goodwill and non-controlling interest. 75% and 25%. 675 and 225. So what is the value of the goodwill? And what is NCI? Goodwill is 750 plus 675. That comes to how much? You see 1425. And non-controlling interest 2250 minus 225. 2250 minus 225, that comes to 2025. I repeat, net identifiable assets, fair value of PPE and inventory minus liabilities, 20% acquisition. So non-controlling interest is 25% of this. Investment made 7,500 given. Balance here is goodwill. There is one deferred tax asset for inventories which is 1,000 rupees less than the carrying amount, and in PP is 4,000 more. So there is one creation of 300 deferred tax asset, you see, creation of deferred tax liability 1,200. Difference of 900 adjusted between goodwill and NCI. Goodwill increased by 675. 750 without adjustment of deferred tax liability and deferred tax assets, it is 675, it is 1425, and that of NCI 2250 worked out here minus 225. This is 2025.